Hello and welcome to Wake Up and Shine. This is Preetham Salian, a fitness expert and an entrepreneur. And today we're going to talk about protein supplements. Does it ring a bell? Everybody in this world who is gymming, who is working out, has to have a big dabba of protein supplements. Now, everybody has, many notions. Should I go for protein supplements or not? If I'm going for protein supplements, which type of protein supplement should I buy? Should it be whey? Should it be isolate? Should it be anabolic? What exactly is the difference between different protein supplements? And the major question, right? Do you actually need protein supplements? Have you ever thought about it? What exactly is protein supplements? Now here, calm down. I'm going to clear all of your doubts. Now, first things first. Do you need protein supplements? Trust me, you don't. Nobody needs protein supplements unless and until you can complete your protein intake through your foods. Now, what exactly is protein? I mean, your protein powders, it is nothing, it is an extract of your milk. All right, it's just dairy. It's just like your food. You eat chicken, that is protein. You eat paneer, that is protein. You're having sprouts, tofu, lentils, rajma. This is all proteins. Indian nutrition is filled with protein nutritionist foods. Now, if you cannot complete your protein intake through your foods, that is where you need additional supplement. Now, let me give you like an example, a best example that I can give about. While we were kids, we used to give exams. We used to get a main sheet. I think it was about 28-30 pages. Now, if you cannot complete your answers in those 28 to 30 pages, that is where you go to your teacher and you're like, supplement. Right? Then you get those 2 pages. That is exactly what happens in your lifestyle and food as well. If you cannot complete your nutrition in your entire day's food, that is where you need a supplement. And your supplement is not your main food. Try to get your protein through real foods. Just like I pointed out a while back, your chicken and paneer and fish and everything. Try to get your whole protein through your whole foods, not through supplements. And this is basically, an addition. In case if you cannot complete through that. I hope this solves your queries with respect to whether you need supplement or not. Now your second question, if I am going for supplements, which type of supplement should I buy? Now majorly there are 2 types. One is whey protein and second is anabolic protein. Now anabolic is for people who want to gain weight. If you're thin, you're skinny and you want to increase weight, that is where you go for anabolic proteins. Now this is something that I really won't suggest because this will give rise to a lot of problems. Since it is dairy, it will give rise to acne issues as well and your tummy will pop out as well. So instead of going for that, rather we'll go for whey protein. Now this helps you stay or give you a lean body. Now whey protein, say about 200 ml of water mixed with 1 scoop is more than enough post your workout. Now in case if you want to gain weight, you can add some sort of carbs along with your whey protein. That will give you rather more benefits instead of taking an anabolic protein. I hope this covers your query with respect to whether I should be going for whey protein or not, or in case if you are going for whey protein, which type of protein you should be buying. In case if you have any queries, put it down in comments, and if you like this, please do like, share and subscribe to this channel. Cheers.
Stay positive, keep shining.